Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam once again in front of you. Hope that all are fine. I am also doing well by the mercy of Allah. So dear lovely friends, today if I talk about one topic, actually early rising in the morning. So dear lovely friends, early rising is a powerful habit. It can bring many things. So actually dear friends, when you early rising, the time get enough time, and so many actually things, because in your reading in your books and in your morning time, actually maximum people actually exercising, walking, stretching, and yoga, so many exercise in this morning time. So dear lovely friend, I think early rising is a very important things, and every people, every moment, I think. So dear friends, early rising is a powerful habit, so it can bring many positive things. So dear friends, in my case, I daily wake up actually 5 a.m. The time, so many I enough time, and the time I am reading a book, and my working, morning walking, this type of work in early rising. And dear friends, actually early risers in your body, so stress, so very good situation for early rising. So dear friends, in my video, actually I not preparation this topic. Actually nowadays later I am not video making, that's why today I am video making for on topic. I cannot good explain this topic. So dear friends, and actually now I am standing here at this moment, this side, actually in our village behind side I am standing time. I maximum video making this location, and this location my favorite location, so that's why I have come here at this moment and making this video. Dear friends, yeah, as you can see in our behind side, this is the very big hill and mountain. This is the big mesmerizing scenery, I think. And my overall, actually all around side, this is the big field. Actually it's a paddy field, paddy planting, and already paddy harvested this field, and on only one paddy field is the right now I can see. And you can see this paddy field, and it's unripe. So when you ripe this paddy field, actually harvested. So dear friends, in this field, actually jute field is a very good quality, and very at this moment this jute actually very good. So dear friends, actually right now evening time, and 6 a.m. 6 p.m. I think. This is the cloudy, very cloudy weather, and today very warm. Today weather is very hot, and now actually weather very cool, because evening time very cloudy. I think all over this environment very beautiful environment, very beautiful environment, and mesmerizing place. So dear friends, my video actually please support me, and please share this video because I am a beginner speaker and beginner learners this language, and many mistake I think. So thank you. Bye bye.